Hello everyone, my name is Sanchita. So today I am going to explain you the chapter polynomials. In that suppose you have given a quadratic polynomial and you have to find the zeros of that quadratic polynomial and you have to verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. So let's talk about this, that if it is there is a polynomial like x square plus 7x plus 10. This is a polynomial which is having degree 2. So that means it is a quadratic polynomial, right? So let's talk about that how you will find the zeros of this polynomial. So for that, as we know, we'll split this middle term. So when you will split this middle term, you will get the value x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 10. Right? Since we know that if we add these 5 and 2, you will get 7x. And when you multiply these two numbers, you will get 10. So this is how we split the middle term. Now we take the common from here. X plus 5. And again x plus 5 will write it. And just put the value. That is 2x plus 5. 2 5s are 10. So we'll get the value. Now from here, x plus 2 and x plus 5 equals to 0. So x plus 2 equals to 0, right? So x equals to minus 2 and x plus 5 equals to 0. So x equals to minus 1. So these are the two values which we get, and these are what? These are the zeros of this polynomial. Okay, these two are the zeros of this polynomial. Now how you will verify it? Since let's take it as this as alpha, that is minus 2, and this as beta, that is minus 5. So when you will take this as alpha and this beta, so since we know the relation between that, if we will add this alpha plus beta, that is equals to minus b upon a. Now minus b upon a is what? This b value, since we know that the general form of the quadratic equation is what? Ax square plus bx plus c. This is what? This is the general form of this equation. So let's see. So when you will add this alpha and beta, you will get the value minus b by a. So alpha we are having over here, that is minus 2. Right, and beta we are having minus 5, and minus b, since here it is in plus, so we'll put it in minus, since here it is minus. So minus b, that is minus 7. So plus minus minus, minus 5 and minus 2, that is minus 7 and minus 7. Hence it is verified that alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a. Now the second is that alpha into beta. Alpha into beta equals to c by a. That is, if you will just multiply these two, alpha and beta means these two 0, you will get the c. C is what? 10 and a is 1. So alpha into beta, that is minus 2 and minus 5. And c value is 10 over here, right? So you will get minus minus get cancelled, and 10 and 10, that is verified. Means alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a, and alpha into beta equals to c by a. That means it is verified, and we have found these two zeros of this polynomial. So thank you and have a nice day.